Hey guys, welcome. It's Sam Evans here of StockAbility. Hope you're doing well and happy. It's about 10 to 11 here on March 11th. I wanted to show you a trade I'm in right now that I'm actually at break even on at the moment. Long on the Dow Jones futures. I'm about to actually move the stop up on this trade. I'm expecting this thing to go a little bit higher, but I've already had a $325 loss for the day. So I'm actually moving the stop up right now. And I'm going to go and protect $900 of profit to cover the initial $325 loss. There's the target there, or should I say the stop, and there's the original one. So I'm going to be about just under $600 locked in right now. Why am I doing this? I have an upper target at 32,500. This is new highs. I'm getting cautious about this, and I've had to go long on the market on a breakout trade, so I'm not going to give this much room. Let's see how it is, and I'll be locked in profit. All right, now a little bit later on, it's about 25 minutes later, I'm either going to hit the 18.15 profit or I'm going to hit the $1,500 now, which I've brought the stop up again. And it looks like we're just about to hit this right now. And on this, again, I'm being aggressive on the trade management. If I can hit this $1,800 profit on here at 32,500, I'm done for the day. That will have more than covered the loss and leave me with just about $1,500 of profit. This particular trade, you'll see I've brought the lower stop up and locked in 1,500, and I'm prepared to take this trade off right now at this big round number. Why am I being aggressive? It's a breakout trade. I've had to buy high, really high, and sell a whole lot higher. I'm not going to give this room for error, and I'd be shocked if we don't see some major selling pressure coming in the market around this point. Could it go higher? Absolutely, but my job as a trader is to get paid. And the purpose of this mini lesson, there you go, there's a target just hit, is to show you that you can buy high and still profit, but you have to be ruthless with the trade management right now. 32.5 was my target. There, $1,490 profit on the day, and it's just after 11.15. Hope this helped. See you next time.